Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through using the Uninstallation Script for the ChromeOS Readiness Tool, a simple and effective way to remove the tool from user machines. The uninstallation package includes a script that removes all files, registry entries, and scheduled tasks related to the tool, ensuring a clean uninstall. To run the script, use admin privileges on the PowerShell terminal. Once launched, the script will automatically begin removing the tool's components. No additional input needed. The script will delete ChromeOS Readiness Tool files, task scheduler entries, registry values, and logs associated with the deployment. Need to uninstall the tool across multiple devices? You can push the script through your UEM solution. And that's it. The uninstallation script gives you a clean and controlled way to remove the ChromeOS Readiness Tool from your environment.